Little back bend here as you exhale to hinge forwards, Uttanasana. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. We step it back. Plank pose once again. Knees, chest in, or chaturanga as we move down on the exhale to inhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Take a round of breath. Feel that heat building up in the body. So next inhale, left leg reaches up, three-legged dog. Exhaling, bending into the knee, opening up the hip towards the left. Take another inhale. We exhale, gaze comes forward. Left foot in between the two hands. We're coming back to our high lunge. Inhale and high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. We're facing the right side of the mat. Arms are strong, hips are open. And then exhale, peaceful warrior.